Straight up. Still in the Ghana month. But I'm sticking. And then, me call Northern region. Arguably, one of the largest regions we have in Ghana. Meeting at a sister Sunday, a guy was more Kai one nipa wujina so.
When you start sending, where do you go? Oh, you guy. Sister Sunday be a guy.
And the more fine cheme.
We a guy.
No, of course, I'm a cemetery. I can be easy or the four. Nye kasa yetimi didi agro. Nye kasa utimi fiane so. Na de me kaya ye tamalika wula. Yakoye ti go first as 2013. Eno ni ade a me kaya. Aside no pan die. Ji se bia na me ba house amudi asanu kare. Oho. Na de dazwa. Me keche. But ni e ka wo say enye nod na bia na ye Muslim. I am for perception say not nebia no aye Muslim. But now I guess sanity Muslim kwe wa santin kremoni ade. And yen ko north, me ento north kakra. Na hwese na me ho aye fi Ghana manti, me hwen a me te yero de ye Miller GH MYLLA_GH or Instagram TikTok, Mela GH, so your photo should be. And our program, we so dress it traditional way. Momodia, share Mela. Hey. Wait a moment.
When you start sending, where do you go? Oh, you guy. Sister Sunday be a guy.
Every mistake is a new style. All of what? I mean, he me honchro. Nade. Once I ever so a good me come I change. Oh, as for moments, my guys, baby, where mammy adope. Hey, no, for what in Kuto Fiba. No, in Kuto, open original in Kutanga Sankaza. Saying no far. Nessa year, Hono candle, Namawa Anessa. Millet, and you are near free home, and ye a Janaketwa. Now, artists a cuckoo dampinani free north. Eba. Na ye can do Pian yet with ye. I mean, sure enough for Fuasa Kakare. When we can buy now, him with Sissy. Yeah. Hey! Any. When ya no for aduane bi te se tuoza afi bi ani. When ya hausa koko. Na when ya bi te se kwenkwen. Any odofo. Who ye say what say? After young northern region. They have one of the best universities. Our Ghana, UDS. Now, before I better, where are UDS? Near better, me boy. Aha, her school no. And nay, but me call school or not and say Bonnebo. I mean me call UDS, Pride of the North. Yeah, her homra, her school, her Mwakono. Original university, and also be called UDS. Yen shaping breasts here.
This video is sponsored by you subscribing to the channel. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Na yeah can dear no for who near my bebre near bet to me aka na make out be my home money and Mela GH yen kwa anyum tofu akukudama e free north obi o had nyum sakra ba nim so free north shikina chai yesterday evening time can I so ba I a proud Northerner your friend of King of the North are you so ba take a young Queen of the North, one woman, one who Timmy Woujier, go bad your we are 6 months, what you are home. Shall if I go to pet any artist or free Ghana or we 3 days, with me call stadium Kobo show, power of a Northern woman. There is this particular lady or selling North, in fact, or selling Ghana as a whole. She's a proud product from the North. Woni a Ghana biggest exports. Okay, home exports kesi pa Riyala. Oh, lioness of Africa. There is this particular guy. You're very good artistically, talent-wise. But my realize say or dominating more or no for them. And okay, Mama Queen and I introduce you to you, the one and only guy. One guy who to me fill the whole stadium. I am a Casio. Great guy by all standards. Yeah, we are now. Check him out. The Bones know he's a talent. Our North. And I'll pay them here that Gomba girl. Nah, yeah, can I brand here back where Northerner. Our no crying hand or tear. Just one in the girl who social media, sweet apple boy Teflon. Or more Germany. Say no winnie man. Teflon Flex is a Northern guy. Madina. Tef. What?
Come with the Sepina, take you to Sunday, man. Forget it, Karina, Matima, Fatima, them all be baller. Now you the man, jingle bell. Now you be my only jingle bell. Gentleman never go kiss and tell. I swear it on my ring, my bell. Tout is my ring, my bell. Tout is my ring, my bell.
And you know, there are more talents from the North. But I can't pay me Adom Ahosepe. But there's this guy, man, Canadian crown pa. You know, one guy from the North, as I say there, international exporter, yeah, money there. You and I know Fancy Gadam is a Northern guy. Great guy by all standards. Francis Gadam.
This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. This been a total cheat. You must see my lawyer. One virgin, 1 2 virgin, 1 3 virgin. Shayna, you be born 4 virgin. Yeah, back and a virgin, back and a virgin, back and a virgin.
Duku kra na ewe watch am kwa atade amero. What I say? Mami trust Ruti mommy insure firm. Big up yourself, Sissy, Kasa, Mela got you. Nah, yeah, can you say, visit the North and a woho. Bobshi Konof Wildlife Guardian Buso. What I say in 0302 211 Can I small? Be a phone line, Mammy and Fanny Pamiensa from the north, and Opay Casa no Ebi. Birthday wishes, Richmond. Fahu Kimi Wahana, Janko. Yay, and Richmond so say happy birthday to Joel, Nana, or say UK Coventry. I can't hear any. Or send a cousin. Hey, I cry a guy. Just say we are simple. Happy birthday, yo, my G. Wagwan, bro. Wagwan, what's up? You good, innit? Happy birthday, Joel. Nana, or say, UK Coventry. I don't know if I got it right, but I mean, sure. Wait for Richmond. Happy birthday, Rosalind Josephine. Owatama Community 5 Railway Quarters. May the heavens smile on you. Bernard, MGL. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho, didn't baby our friend me free.
Pacho, we Abby. The first is
Okay, now we are not now. Pacho, maintain me TV so M1.
Funny.
We are for Frenny. Okay. It is Ofa Friday in the same. Oh, it's TV so you're free. So hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Dixon, I hear from me friend of pay. Okay, now you're not now.
There have been answer the wire federal.
Aye.
And it's a do
do kun the facha me bende. Na onodi name ya day. Hello Dixon. Oh, Dixon, I'm my last caller. And happy birthday to the special person. Papito, from aunties and uncles. Oh, my baby. Oh, I was smoking it up for my baby boy. Oh, baby. That's my baby. Happy birthday, boy. And when you're 3 years, Papi, Kwame Gaius. Nade. Yamin Shroud. When you feel Dumon Quadum. On to 2 and I'm on CG. Yeah, that was my baby. You know, mommy loves you, right? From grandma, grandpa, aunties and uncles, everybody, all your rich aunties and then what's it? I mean, ensure happy birthday, baby. Me from last caller, right? Hi, good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Obaya, na ehina from me friend opay.
Me pacha me ka free pandai.
Okay, na obaya you not now.
Me pacha.
Na obaya will not name your day.
Me pacha me ka pandai.
Obaya will not name your day.
Me pacha.
Will not name a day.
Me pacha friend aja sake.
Yeah. Baby.
Aja sake. Aja sake.
Okay. All right. Now, Pacha, no, I try saying. Me boy, I na say with you. Pacha, me why?
Hello.
I try say with you. I try say ninja say and say.
I just say abewan nana.
I just have abewan. Oh wow, I see. Okay, that's nice. Now, what about your casa ni be? I just say you can say.
Ko amani.
Baby.
Ko amani.
Yo. Yeah, but that's.
Me no me cut nankam okay. Me say that.
Oh, let me say network, you know. Me share that antenna in K. Yeah, for your last caller. Now I'm on share. But I ain't tell me what TV this one I'm into on Kawaii. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacha, we didn't baby our friend me free.
Me ka say free offense.
Okay, now we are not now.
The woman.
Okay, now Pacha, we da go mba name your day.
The woman is so yini.
What are we so dim?
So yini.
So yili.
So yini.
So hili.
So yini.
Now Pacha try saying.
Akuma kro.
Akuma kron.
Akuma sa like one heart.
Wow, that's deep. Now, child, can you be a to say? You can't say.
That is a little wula.
Wula.
Didewula.
Didewula. Eti me ka tamale ka wula. Eno me twa ho.
Kamera wula ye ja ha uche se etisen.
Okay.
Ana mo sisen.
Oh, okay. I see. Wow. Thank you. Anopa yesua bibi. But I see say ofreye. And I hope say Western Bibi from the north, one who some of the northern artists, one who what to UDS campus. If you are thinking of going to school over there, store the school and go. This great guy from the north, meet me in Poam, me Fichano. Pitora Nebano. Pitora Nebano. The Pito Celestin is now a global artist. And guess what? He's a proud northern boy. Samene Nidine kwano okwano for mo say che samene okwano fa nidino. That's what I heard. I don't know how true ah. Etia but mo say nidino e samene. Yeah, no say kan no for free ni bisa. But I say industry ni mu no e no waye no samini. Wo fi north na yampa. Me ba Friday a ma ye hu na ye nsua de yampa nso amfa nche sana yete. Tino samini way. Take me away. Oh, I love this guy. I love Nordness. I guess or northern girls are so beautiful. Northern girls, they are so minama. I am going to semi free enough. Now I'm home. Northern girls are beautiful. Same time Friday. I have come for.